Today in the El Yucateco kitchen, we're grilling up some juicy chicken sliders and pairing them with a bold El Yucateco inspired dipping sauce. This is all about flavor and the perfect kick that only the king of flavor can deliver. Let's start with our homemade dipping sauce. Start with 2 cups of your favorite mayonnaise, then add 2 teaspoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and 2 ounces of our flavor-packed El Yucateco habanero and chiltepin. This is going to add a little kick and a whole lot of flavor. Just give that a good mix and set it aside in the refrigerator until it's time to serve. This recipe will give you a little extra, and you're going to want this around the house because it's good with everything. Once you have your chicken breast trimmed and cut to slider size, season it to taste on both sides with just simple salt and pepper. Then grill these up on your favorite grill till they're fully cooked at 160 degrees Fahrenheit in the center. Then you can melt your favorite cheese. We're using a mixture of pepper jack and cheddar today. And by the way, we'd never let that weather stop us. Now just serve these up on your favorite slider bun and watch them disappear. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, don't forget to kick up all your recipes with the King of Flavor. We'll see you on the next one.